In this video, we will show you top 25 places to visit in France. This video is based on our best-selling travel guide about France. Don't forget to like this video, subscribe and enable notifications, and share your own experience, or ask a question in the comments below. Stick around until the end of this video, because we have for you an extra amazing place to visit in France. Here are our top 25 picks. Number 25. The banks of the River Lot. This area in the southwest of France is one of the most scenic regions of the country and has been known as one of the most beautiful places in the world since the Middle Ages. Picturesque. Villages cling to hillsides and the river winds through vineyards and past prehistoric sites such as the Lascaux Caves. One of the most extraordinary examples of cave art anywhere. Number 24. Sarlat and the Dordogne. This medieval city in the interior of southwestern France has cobblestone streets lined with mansions from the prosperous days of the truffle trade. From Sarlat, you can explore the nearby Dordogne River Valley, famous for its prehistoric cave paintings and its medieval castles. Number 23. Briançon. This town in the French Alps was built by the Romans and has been occupied ever since. It has ramparts and citadels from the Middle Ages and modern ski resorts nearby. Number 22. Avignon. This town was once the seat of the papacy, and it has a number of interesting historic buildings from that period, including the Papal Palace. But Avignon is also home to one of France's most famous festivals, the annual Festival of Cinema, which takes place in July. Number 21. Nice. This Mediterranean city is famous for its sandy beaches and relaxed atmosphere. There are lots of fun activities here, such as boat trips to the exotic islands of the French Riviera, or visiting the Italian city of Monaco. Number 20. Tours. This city in the Loire Valley has more than 30 Renaissance chateaux within easy reach, including Chenonceau, Amboise, and Séverny. You can take a boat trip on the Loire or cycle along the towpath of the canal that runs alongside the river. Number 19. Honfleur, Normandy. This picturesque harbor town dates back to the 15th century. Its old town is filled with half-timbered houses, and there are several interesting museums and galleries, as well as plenty of shops and restaurants. Number 18. Lille. This city is close to the Belgian border and has a lively, cosmopolitan feel. It's home to the site European, a huge shopping complex with an array of international stores. The city is also known for its delicious local beer. Number 17. Alderie. This island off the coast of western France is a favorite summer destination for Parisians looking to escape the heat. Its beaches are renowned, and the main town of Saint-Martin-de-Ré is full of charm. Number 16. Dijon. This city is the capital of the Burgundy region, famous for its wine. There are numerous vineyards in the area, and many of them offer tours and tastings. Dijon itself is also a lovely city with a well-preserved medieval center. Number 15. Lourdes. This is a small town in the Pyrenees Mountains that has become famous for its Roman Catholic sanctuary. Every year, thousands of pilgrims come here to visit the grotto where the Virgin Mary is said to have appeared. Number 14. Sainte-Chapelle. This glamorous resort town is located on the French Riviera and has long been a favorite destination for celebrities and other rich and famous people. The town is known for its luxurious boutiques, expensive yachts, and beautiful beaches. Number 13. Fontainebleau. This magnificent royal palace was once home to Napoleon Bonaparte, and it is now open to the public as a museum. The palace is surrounded by a large forest that is perfect for hiking and biking. Number 12. Annecy. This town in the French Alps is known as the Venice of the North due to its canals and picturesque setting. It's a popular destination for families and couples alike, and there are plenty of things to do here, such as boat trips on the lake or exploring the nearby mountains. Number 11. Strasbourg. This city is located in the Alsace region of France and is known for its beautiful half-timbered houses and its picturesque canals. It's a popular destination for tourists and a great base for exploring the surrounding area. Number 10. The French Riviera. This is a coastal region in southeastern France that is known for its beautiful beaches, glamorous resorts, and luxurious atmosphere. It's a popular destination for tourists from all over the world and is home to some of the most expensive real estate in France. Number 9. Carcassonne. This medieval fortified city is one of the most well-preserved examples of its kind in Europe and is now a UNESCO World Heritage Site. Visitors can explore the ramparts, the towers, and the two distinct areas of the city, the medieval citadel and the lower town. Number 8. Versailles. This magnificent palace was once home to the French royal family and is now open to the public as a museum. The palace is surrounded by vast gardens and grounds that are perfect for a stroll or a picnic. Number 7. Collier. This charming village is located in the Pyrenees-Orientals region of France and is known for its beautiful beaches, its picturesque harbor, and its stunning mountain backdrop. It's a popular destination for tourists and a great base for exploring the surrounding area. Number 6. Aix-en-Provence. This elegant town is located in the Provence region of France and is known for its beautiful fountains, its picturesque streets, and its vibrant markets. It's a popular destination for tourists and a great base for exploring the surrounding area. Number 5. Normandy. This region in northern France is famous for its rolling green hills, its charming towns, and its historical significance. It's home to some of France's most important World War II sites, including the beaches of Normandy, the Bayeux Tapestry, and the city of Cannes. Number 4. Paris. The capital of France is one of the most visited cities in the world, and it's easy to see why. Paris is home to some of the most iconic landmarks in history, including the Eiffel Tower, the Louvre Museum, and the Champs-Élysées. The city also has a rich culture and history, as well as some of the best food and wine in the world. Number 3. The Loire Valley. This valley in central France is famous for its beautiful chateaux, its rolling hills, and its vineyards. It is home to some of the most picturesque towns and villages in France and is a popular destination for tourists. Number 2. French Guiana. This overseas territory of France is located in South America and is known for its lush rainforests, its unique wildlife, and its colonial architecture. It's a popular destination for adventure travelers and nature lovers. Number 1. Corsica. This island in the Mediterranean Sea is known for its beautiful beaches, its mountainous terrain, and its Corsican culture. It's a popular destination for tourists and a great base for exploring the surrounding area. And here is the extra place to visit in France that we promised. How about the French Camargue? This unique wetland region is located in the south of France and is home to a variety of wildlife including flamingos, horses, and bulls. It's a popular destination for birdwatchers and nature lovers. We hope you enjoyed this video and that it will help you plan your next trip to France. If you did enjoy the video, please be sure to like, subscribe, and enable notifications, and share your own experience or ask a question in the comments below. And if you're looking for more travel inspiration, be sure to check out our other videos. Until next time, bon voyage.